Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to look at something fairly simple, something for fun. This is how you can be able to put emojis in your Word document. So what do? You place the window logo key. This is what we are calling the window logo key. You can find it in your keyboard together with a dot or what other calls period or what others call a full stop. Just know that you're using that symbol on your or that character in your keyboard, or you can combine window logo key with the semicolon. So to do that, you just place where you want to put your emoji, and then you place the window logo key as you have said, and then you place the full stop. So once you do that, you'll be able to see the emoji window, and here you can be able to choose the one that you want. So assuming that I want any one of these, you just click here and then you come here up and then you say okay. It will be placed in your document. And this one you can also, it will be placed in your document, and you can be able to change the color to the color that you want to use. And then you say okay, and then you can be able to add. And then this one you can also be able to increase the size to the size that you want. So that is how you put emoji and other funny characters in our document. Thank you for your time. Remember to follow me, also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials and more videos. Thank you for your time.